how's it going for you so far?
Very good. Very good facilities. The weather, unbelievable. Better than in Manchester for sure. And we're enjoying, working hard, like we like, and then that's it. Working hard.
And you were one of the players that were working hard earlier in the week. I think you went to Dubai for some training. How was that?
It was good to keep up the fitness. I had the first part of the season I was injured, so I wanted to get this break to push hard a little bit more, and I enjoyed with some of the players, some of the staff. It was a very good week to work, and then we're here now.
And this point in the season, you've been playing really well in recent weeks. Scored as well, great goal. How are you feeling in yourself, and do you feel you can contribute a lot in the season running to come?
Of course, like I said, I've been working very hard to get my opportunities, to enjoy when I get them, and to be the best player that I can be when I get the opportunities. And I'm still working, still a lot to improve, and then keep pushing hard because I want to play here.
And we saw last week or the week before you drove Bruno Fernandes to training. You're settling him into the club. How's he getting on so far?
Oh, perfectly. I mean, it's like he's been here for 2 years already. He's getting very good along with the lads. Very good to have him here. Very good for me, very good for the team. And he's a fantastic player, fantastic person. So it's going to be one more to help the team.
And we're getting ready for the next 3 months to come. A lot to fight for in the Premier League, 2 cup competitions. What would it mean to you to finish the season strongly and hopefully win 2 trophies?
Oh, that would be amazing. That's why we're here. Man United always fights for trophies, to win games, and those competitions we want to win them with everything, and then fight for the top 4 in the Premier League, because that's what we want as a club, as a players, and I think we have everything.